Hello everyone, welcome to Easy Electronics. This is Miss Kirti Nashikar, and yes, we are discussing about the objective pattern of the SPPU University exam for FY BSc Computer Science for electronics subject, and here specifically we are discussing the first paper of electronics, that is the instrumentation systems for semester 2. Okay, already we had discussed with the two parts of the objective type, and or in this video I am going to start the third part of the session. So let us start with the very first question. The sensors consisting of positive negative electrodes and an electrolyte are dash. Options are MEMS based sensor, optical tilt sensor, electrolytic tilt sensor, and mercury tilt switch sensor. So here, as you can see that whenever we are talking about electrodes and electrolyte, then obviously it is related with the electrolytic tilt sensor, and this is how they looks. This is the whole construction of such kind of tilt sensors, where you can see the two electrodes over there. Okay, these are the two electrodes, and this is the electrolytic fluid. Okay, so yes, these are the electrolytic tilt sensors. Then LDR is dash. This is how the LDR looks. We had often discussed it many a times, and this is the principle of the LDR, which is the photoconductive effect or photoconductivity. So LDR is options are tilt sensor, optical sensor, temperature sensor, or motion sensor. So obviously it is giving us the current when the light is incident on it or when the photon is incident on it. So obviously the correct option is option B, optical sensor, because optics is related with the light. Okay. Then the next question is, a device which converts a signal in one form of energy into another form is called as dash. This is one of the simplest definition of a transducer. Okay. So option B is the correct option here, and you just have to remember that whatever or any device which is actually converting any kind of energy into another form, that is nothing but the transducer. You can take the examples of your daily life gadgets like fan. Okay, like electric signal gets converted into the wind, that is one form of energy into another form. So we know the law of conservation of energy, that energy cannot be created or destroyed. It is just be transferred from one form to another form, and this is how exactly the transducer is working on. Okay, it is actually converting one form of energy into another form, or this is one of the definition of transducer. Next question is, actuators are the devices which takes action based on the input sensed by the dash. Now sense, whenever we are saying that sensing, so obviously it will be the sensor, so no need of the rest of the options here, I think so. So here option A is the correct answer. So actuators are the devices which takes action based on the input sensed by the sensor. Okay, and actuators are the devices which converts energy into the motion. This is the definition of actuator. Okay, and they works on the input which gets sensed by the sensor. Sensor are you can see in all your daily life, like you can take the example of the elevator. Okay, or the lift automated door. So there are the sensors fixed, and because of their sensing only the automation is done. Next question is, the rated temperature range of LM35 is. Now here LM35 is the temperature sensor IC, whose temperature range we have to select from the given option. So -50 to 100 degree Celsius, -60 to 120 degree, -40 to 100 degree, and -55 to 150 degree. So the correct temperature range of LM35 is -55 to 150 degrees Celsius. This is, you have to remember, this is the IC of LM35 having 3 pins. Pin number 1 is VCC, 2 is output and 3 is ground. Whereas if the supply voltage and output voltage is asked, then the range of this 2 is also given here. For supply voltage, it may range from -2 volt to +35 volt, and if it is output voltage, then it is from -1 volt to +6 volt. Next question is the operating range of NTC is. NTC is the negative temperature coefficient thermistor. Its operating range options are -20 to +125 degrees Celsius, -100 to +250 degrees Celsius, -100 to +300 degrees Celsius, or -20 to +150 degrees Celsius. And the correct option here is -100 to +300 degrees Celsius. Option C is the operating range of NTC, and this is the graph of NTC, where you can increase the temperature, and with respect to that increasing temperature, the resistance of the thermistor is decreasing, shown in this particular graph. Temperature is increasing and resistance is decreasing. DC motor and stepper motor are the types of dash: sensors, actuators, transducers, or vehicles. Okay, so these are the types of actuators because they are actually converting energy into the motion. Whatever energy you are supplying it as an input, that energy gets converted into its corresponding equivalent motion. Okay, and this is how the DC motor looks. This is how the stepper motor looks. And both of them are nothing but the actuators. Next question is the CCD sensor is dash device: digital, analog, both A and B, can't determine. So the CCD sensor is actually an analog device. Option B is the correct answer here. And this is how the CCD sensors looks, or their construction is. Question number 9, a dash is widely used to translate electrical pulses into mechanical movement. Okay, so as I had already shown you the diagram, so obviously no need of the options here. It will be the stepper motor. They are widely used to translate electrical pulses into mechanical movement. And the last question of this part is ultrasonic sensors are used in dash: distance measurement, detecting cracks, object detection, or all of the above. Here, ultrasonic sensors, they are used in multiple applications. All of these options which are given are nothing but the applications of ultrasonic sensors. So option D is the correct answer here. Again, I can show you the diagram of ultrasonic sensor having two sections, transmitting and receiving one. Okay, so this is all about the third part of this session. We will meet in the fourth part also. Hope you like this video and all of you are studying hard. All the best from my side. And if you like this video, then please like, subscribe and share my channel. Thank you so much.